Today, we're diving into Deel, a platform that claims to simplify global payroll for businesses. But does it really deliver on that promise? With so many payroll solutions out there, let's see if Deel stands out or falls flat. Deel is designed to help companies manage payroll, compliance, and benefits for remote teams across the globe. At its core, it offers a way to pay employees and contractors in over 150 countries, which is pretty impressive. The user interface is sleek and intuitive, making it relatively easy for HR teams to navigate. You can set up contracts, manage invoices, and even handle tax compliance all in one place. However, while the platform has a lot of features, some users might find the onboarding process a bit overwhelming. There are various options for payment methods, and it's crucial to understand the local regulations in different countries, which Deel tries to simplify, but still feels a bit unclear at times. For businesses looking to expand internationally quickly, Deel could be a good fit, but the complexity of global payroll isn't something to overlook. There are definitely pros to using Deel. The ability to manage payroll in multiple countries from one dashboard is a significant time saver, and the compliance features are a big plus for businesses worried about legal obligations. However, there are some downsides. The pricing structure can be a bit confusing, especially for smaller businesses. Additionally, some users report issues with customer support responsiveness, which can be frustrating when you need assistance. On the flip side, larger companies with diverse international teams might find Deel to be a game changer. But for startups or smaller firms, the learning curve and potential costs could be a barrier. Overall, it's a mixed bag depending on your business size and needs. In conclusion, Deel is a solid choice for companies looking to streamline global payroll and compliance, especially if you have a sizable international team. However, smaller businesses or those just starting out might want to weigh their options. It's worth trying if you're ready to handle the complexities of global employment, but be prepared for some challenges along the way.